Hey, what's up? It's Jenny. Welcome to another weekly video on my channel. For this week's video, I'm doing a makeup look that's inspired by the anime Demon Slayer. I'm pretty late to the game when watching Demon Slayer. I was not into watching it because it was so popularized really quickly. So I was one of those people who were like, maybe I don't want to watch it because it's so popular. But then I ended up watching it and I really enjoyed it. And for this video, I am doing a look that's inspired by urokodaki's kimono pattern. And yeah, we can get right into the video. Alright, so this look so far has been the most challenging yet for me personally. So please bear with me when I'm going through this look. Okay, I'm gonna get my hair out of the way before I put makeup on. But I already did my base prior to the video starting. So I got my foundation, concealer, powder. I also had my contour on already. And for this look, I wanted a little bit more color and dimension to my face, so I added a little bit of blush here. I used the M Cosmetics blush that I did a review video on, so nothing in my makeup routine has changed. You can check out my previous videos if you want to know more about what makeup products I use, but we're just gonna go ahead and start with the kimono pattern. Alright, so typically when I've been doing these makeup looks, I opted to do something with something that the character already had. Like Nobara had the roses on her face already, Dragon already had a dragon tattoo, but I wanted to play around with this look to see what would be fitting for an actual look that people might want to wear. So I am taking the kimono pattern and putting it on my cheeks, kind of like the cloud cheek look that has been popular. I've seen some Instagram and Pinterest pictures of it. I'll put some up here that I got for inspiration. So we're going to start with that part. I am taking my water-activated eyeliner kit. This is by Claro Psych, and I just got it off their website. This has been a really affordable water eyeliner kit that I've been using, and I really like it. So if you're interested in that, you can probably look into this because I know water-activated eyeliners may not be the best price-wise for everyone. So I'm taking some water and dipping it in white with the brush that was already in the kit. And I'm going to start doing the cloud patterns on my cheek. My goal is to have like two clouds that look similar to the kimono pattern on both sides. Also, be careful on how big you make the cloud is what I've learned. I try to play around with so many cloud sizes, and this is what I ended up with. Sorry, I just keep pushing off doing the makeup look because I'm really nervous on how it's gonna turn out. I'll show a picture of the cloud that I'm doing first because each cloud has a different pattern. There's one cloud, and I'm gonna fill it in. Since I'm starting with white, I am just getting the outline of the clouds, and later on, I'm gonna outline it in black to add more detail. Alright, here's the first cloud. I got it filled in as much as I can. On camera, it may look opaque, but in person, it's not completely filled in. So later on, I'm going to do a second layer on this, but I probably won't show it on camera, but I'm letting you know now so that if you do this makeup look, you'll know how the process works. But I'm going to quickly speed over doing the outlines of the other clouds and filling them in.
me be? What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got.
Alright, the clouds are all done. Next I'm going to go in with the wave patterns of the kimono. I'm going to do the black outline at the very end, but I'm just going to play around with different shades of blue and do waves connecting the clouds. I'm still using the water activated eyeliner. Luckily this kit has 3 different shades of blue, so I'm just going to use these shades, but you can use with whatever you have. If you don't have that many different colors with your water activated eyeliner, something I suggest is that you can go in with concealer and then put eyeshadow right over the concealer to make it more opaque and blue. I'm just going to place this first shade of blue wherever I think. I'm going to play around with the order of which shade I use. So this one would be like a top wave, and I'm going to use this same shade and probably use it as a bottom wave over here. Alright, I'm going to let that shade dry a little bit and go in with the next blue shade. This one is slightly lighter. And I'm going in with my final blue shade. Alright, so I got the base down of what I want for the cloud pattern, and now I'm going to go in with some black eyeliner and draw out the outlines. Before I put this on, I made sure that the eyeliner is really dry because I don't want to like mess up the pigment or anything. So I'm going to fan a little bit more and get started with the eyeliner outline.
Imperfections from the edge, yeah. Bet you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right, yeah. I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret.
Alright, so I'm all done with the cloud look. Here's how it looks on this cheek and this cheek. But I wanted to play around with the eye look as well. I wanted to incorporate Urokodaki's mask because he wears the mask the majority of the season. I don't think he ever takes it off in Demon Slayer, in the anime at least. But yeah, I wanted to incorporate the demon mask that he wears somehow into the makeup look. So I'm gonna do something with my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do some white eyeliner for the white outlines of the mask, and then put a black outline on top of that, and we're gonna play around with some red eyeshadow. First, I'm taking some of the white water activated eyeliner I was using earlier for the clouds, and I'm just gonna do a little wing shape on top of my eye. When I do the eye, I'm being super careful with the consistency of the water activated eyeliner, so I do not want to mess up this line. So first I'm gonna do a little line out. And then I'm gonna wing right on top of my eyelid and connect it right here. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Alright, I got the white wing shape that I want so far for the eyelid, and then I'm gonna do a black line right underneath it. This time I'm just taking some normal eyeliner because it's personally easier for me. Alright, I got the outline of the eyes down. I'm going to add some eyeshadow to have more color. I am taking this small fluffy brush and going in with the color black right here. I'm taking just a little bit and I'm going to put it in the corner of the eyes. I'm going to go in a circular motion because I'm going to later want to blend in the red. And I'm basically just coloring in where I outlined my eye. Doing the same on the other side. I'm really just doing a third of my eyelid. Okay, taking the same brush, I'm going in a red shade. This one is more vibrant, so I recommend using a more vibrant color. I'll put a picture here of what color exactly I'm using though. I'm just gonna put that in the middle, a little bit towards the inner corner. I'm just gonna try to put a little bit over the black so that it'll be more ombre and blended in. Alright, I'm just gonna add some blushes and some lip gloss and maybe a little bit of color to my lips and we'll go see the final look. Alright, so this is the finished makeup look. I really love how it turned out. I was actually super nervous before this video because I practiced this look a ton and still could not get it right until now. It really matters on what steps you do in order so that the makeup look will turn out good and it'll be easier for you if you do try it. Yeah, and if you do try it, I would love to see it on Instagram or TikTok. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you thought about it, or if you have any other video suggestions for the future for anime looks or anime looks you want me to try. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you've been keeping up with my videos so you can see what I put out in the future and you'll get notified of when I post. I also have an Instagram and TikTok where I post all of these looks, so you can check the description down below and see more info about that. I also have a Twitch channel where I stream about 2 times a week. I'm trying my best to start up a Twitch because I really enjoy it. But over there I play Minecraft and Genshin Impact currently, so if you want to check that out, the link again is in the bio. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you next week. Bye!